If you're not using ChatGPT to make your outbound marketing campaigns more effective, more relevant, and more personalized to the user, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you the top ways that we're using ChatGPT to make them exactly that. More relevant, more personalized, and more targeted towards the people that we're sending these emails to. If you don't know who I am, my name is Makowski. I run Infinite Bookings, which is a cold email lead generation agency, where over the past 6 months, we've booked over 1,000 qualified sales calls for our clients. I also run Outreach 101, which is a program where you can learn cold email outreach from A to Z with 13 hours of exclusive content, weekly coaching calls, personal assistance from me, and over 100 different community members. All right, so without any further ado, let's get into the top ways that we're using ChatGPT to make our marketing campaigns even more effective than they are. So the first part is how to do market research properly with ChatGPT. So market research is always the first thing that you should be doing when you're starting to build any type of marketing campaign, but in this video in specific, a cold email campaign. So this should go over 3 things, and it should answer these 3 questions. Who exactly are you sending these emails to? What do they care about? And where can you find them, right? So that's the main thing that you need to know when making a lead list, when writing the cold email scripts, when making a campaign level offer. You need to be able to answer those 3 things for each specific segment that you're running. Now, this is the prompt that you're going to put into ChatGPT. You're going to input your information here, right? Company name, company website, what kind of service you provide, your offer, your value proposition, any additional sales assets, YouTube videos, anything like that you have. You're going to give the prompt as much information as possible. And what that's going to give you is a very good answer as to who you're targeting, what they care about, and what you're going to send in the email, right? And where you can find these people. So that's the first part. Once you get this answer, you can kind of elaborate on it, right? So if I go to ChatGPT right now and I'm like, hey, give me this answer, I can actually go ahead and ask it more questions about the answer that it gave me, right? And build kind of like a web of answers. So let me show you exactly how I would do that. So here in ChatGPT, I'm going to copy and paste this prompt, right? And let's just fill it out just for example's sake, right? I'd fill it out like this. Okay, so Infinite Bookings. Okay, infinitebookings.com. B2B cold email lead generation, right? That's what I provide. Offer, all right, so we help B2B organizations schedule an extra 5 to 20 qualified sales appointments every month using cold email outreach, right? If you have a risk reversal, that's the best place to put it. And then any additional information, so I'll just go to youtube.com and I'll give it my YouTube channel so you can kind of see what other type of content I have, right? And let's see what it gives back me, right? So right now it's doing all the market research, and from this answer, I can build webs of basically questions and answers that ChatGPT will give for me. So for example, ICP, I can ask, okay, what type of specific SaaS companies can I be reaching out to, right? Or what type of specific financial services companies can I reach out to, right? And you could just get so much more information. Now, you can obviously, oh, this is great, industry-specific directories. So obviously some of these aren't going to be accurate, but for example, we use Crunchbase a lot to target, right? We obviously use Apollo a lot. Product Hunt, we just ran a campaign that worked really, really good, actually. So this is actually pretty accurate. And you have these job titles, you have all the information you possibly need, but you can always ask it, okay, can you tell me more directories like Product Hunt, right? And then I can go ahead and take a look, see if they're scrapable, see if I could get the information of the people, right? So Beta List, another one that we were doing, right? Angel List, another one, Crunchbase, right? These are all really, really good ones. So that's one way to use ChatGPT for market research. Number 2, how to come up with campaign level offers that your target market actually wants to see, right? So a lot of people will give you an offer and you don't even want it. And that's the biggest way to fail with cold outreach and overall in marketing, is making an offer that's not relevant. But with this, we can see exactly and kind of pair up the perfect prospect with the perfect offer for them and bring those two together into one script and really bring it all together. So here's a screenshot actually of me sending an offer, right, for the campaign level offer for the lead magnet, him saying, yeah, sure, let's do it. And then him following up with me to get his offer, right, to get his lead magnet. So that is a perfect example. And funnily enough, this guy eventually became a done for you client, right? So it's like if you're able to give people something that they genuinely want or even need, in this case, right, this guy wanted it so much he followed up with me. Usually it's the other way around. So you need to be using this prompt to figure out the best campaign level offer. I'm not going to be doing like the examples for everyone, but you basically plug in your company info, and it should give you some really, really solid ideas. Next one, inbox management response handling with ChatGPT. So inbox management is becoming more and more important, right? If people are interested in your services, you need to be getting back to them as quickly and effectively as possible. So you need to be quick, right? And you need to have accurate answers, right? And overall, the response has to be structured properly, because really at the end of the day, all you want is a call, right? You want to schedule a call. So at the end of every response, you need to have the call to action of booking a call, or hey, does this time work? Or hey, do you mind if we meet sometime next week for a quick call, right? That's kind of how your response handling needs to be, but you need a really good prompt. And this is what I recommend you use, right? So just fill in a few variables. And this is the exact same one that we use for our inbox management system, word for word. This is what we use, and this is what we see results with. So highly recommend you take a look at this one, and just try it out on some of your responses. And if you have like an inbox manager, or if you have like a Airtable inbox management system, plug it in, right? Use ChatGPT. You make an automation where you can plug it in, and I guarantee you that 95% of the time it's going to be exactly well written after this prompt, right? So that's that. Spintax generation. So Spintax, obviously, it does take quite a bit of time if you're doing it manually. So it's really beneficial to have just a ChatGPT prompt that fully understands what Spintax is, that can literally help you save probably 10 minutes per campaign with adding Spintax. It's really, really good. It's pretty accurate. Obviously, after everything that ChatGPT does, I do recommend that you go back and check. But most of the time, like 99% of the time, it does work very well. So this is one way that you can save even more time when building out campaigns. And overall, it's sometimes even better than the ones that I would do manually before. So Spintax generation with ChatGPT. And that is the last one. So I hope that you found value in this video. I hope that you can use at least one of these prompts, check it out, try it out. And if you do find value from any of the prompts, any of the videos, leave a like, subscribe, comment. I will link this document so you can literally just copy and paste all the prompts in the description below. And yeah, once again, if you are looking for done for you cold email services, book a call with the link below. And also, if you're looking to learn cold email from me, there's over 100 people in the community. There's 13 hours of content and a bunch of other exclusive benefits. There's going to be a link below for Outreach 101. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.